Hi, my name is Steve, and I want to show you the new way to earn income selling your services. It's called Book Like a Boss, and it's the all-in-one booking page that transforms the way you schedule appointments, manage your business, and sell your services. It only takes a few minutes to set up your fully custom booking page. Simply choose your page name, set up your schedule, list your services, and add your payment options. Boom! Now you've got a professional storefront ready for customers. I mean, really, check this out. My customers have direct access to my business, and it looks beautiful on any device. They can learn all about me, send me a message, check out my photos, read some testimonials, and even go through my FAQs. I can easily show my customers exactly what I offer, and since I already set up my schedule, my customers just pick the date and time they want to book according to my availability. Pretty slick, right? No more endless back and forth emails when trying to book appointments. And get this, my customers receive automatic email and text reminders to make sure they never forget to show up for an appointment. Oh, and my bookings are linked to my personal calendar, so I never double book. And since I already set up my payment options, my customers pay upfront when they book. I get paid fast, and I can even generate coupon codes. I manage everything myself from my account dashboard. This is where I can update and customize every aspect of my booking page, the way it looks and feels, the information I want my customers to see, and even things like app integrations such as Zoom, MailChimp, Zapier, and more. It's all here, and it's changed the way I do business. My name is Steve, and I book like a boss. Try it free today.